Ash. Noun. The solid remains of a fire. The audience was more captivated by the growing ash at the end of his cigarette than by his words. Ash from a fireplace can restore minerals to your garden's soil. Ashes from the fire floated over the street. Ash from the fire floated over the street. Ash. Noun. Fine particles from a volcano, volcanic ash. Ash. Noun. Human or animal remains after cremation. The urn containing his ashes was eventually removed to a closet. Ash. Noun. A gray color, like that of ash. Ash. Verb. To hit the end off of a burning cigar or cigarette. Ash. Noun. A shade tree of the genus Fraxinus. The ash trees are dying off due to emerald ash borer. The woods planted in ash will see a different mix of species. Ash. Noun. The wood of this tree. Ash. Noun. The traditional name for the A ligature A, as used in Old English. Reference. Please support us with your subscription.